2026 BMW Royale Motorhome, where German precision meets palatial living. What happens when Bavarian engineering meets the opulence of a palace and the freedom of the open road? Introducing the 2026 BMW Royale Motorhome, a mobile luxury residence on 6 wheels, crafted for those who don't just travel a broken bar, they reign. A design that rules the road. At nearly 45 feet, the BMW Royale exudes aerodynamic elegance, a limousine and a yacht seamlessly fused into one. Its illuminated kidney grille, sleek laser headlights, carbon fiber accents, and panoramic glass cabin make it impossible to overlook. Diamond-cut wheels bearing the BMW emblem, subtle slide-outs, and full-width LED taillights complete its regal silhouette. Inside, where luxury lives, the lounge invites you with diamond-stitched leather sofas, a crystal coffee table, and velvet-draped, floor-to-ceiling windows. Subtle chandeliers cast a warm glow, while ambient lighting and panoramic views create a serene, sophisticated space to relax, entertain, or simply savor the journey. The kitchen and dining area flow seamlessly as one elegant space. A marble top table for 6 sits beside a sleek, concealed appliance kitchen. With induction cooktops, bespoke cabinetry, and mood lighting, it's perfect for intimate meals or lavish dinner parties, even while on the move. The bedroom feels like a luxury suite, with a king-sized bed, an illuminated suede headboard, mirrored ceiling, and a soft skylight above. Privacy-tinted windows frame stunning views, creating a tranquil sanctuary where you can unwind, rest, and wake to breathtaking horizons each morning. The bathroom rivals any 5-star spa. Heated marble floors, twin vanities, brushed metal fixtures, and a circular rainfall shower encased in frosted glass. Soft under-sink lighting and natural stone finishes elevate its calming, indulgent ambience, a true private retreat. Technology meets power. 27-inch smart control panel, hidden solar panels, biometric entry, AI-controlled ambience, and surround sound. Hybrid drivetrain, turbo inline 6 plus twin electric motors, 870 plus HP. 0-100 km/h in under 6.5 seconds. Adaptive air suspension, X-Drive AWD, and regenerative braking. Safety, autonomy customization, with level 2 plus autonomous driving, lane assist, adaptive cruise, crosswind stabilization, and a 360 degrees LiDAR, radar suite. The Royale keeps you safe and in control. And because every king deserves his throne, owners can personalize every detail. Exterior colors, black, white, blue, gold. Interior themes, onyx, pearl, Bavarian tan, rooftop lounge or spa, and even custom monograms. Worth the crown? With a starting price of around $2.7 million USD, and fully customized versions exceeding $4.2 million, the BMW Royale is no ordinary RV, it's an empire on wheels. Why choose between a mansion and a yacht when you can have both and take them anywhere? Let us know, would you choose the BMW Royale over a mansion or a super yacht? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more extraordinary vehicles. This is Auto Explorer, bringing tomorrow's luxury to today's roads.